In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free trial of Microsoft Project. Microsoft offers self-service trials for select plans, including Project Plan 1 and Project Plan 3, so you can explore the product before you commit. I'll walk you through each step and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head to the official Microsoft Project Plans page on Microsoft's website. Make sure you're on the genuine Microsoft site to avoid confusion or third-party offers. On that page, browse the plans and decide which one fits your needs. Many people start with Project Plan 1 for essential web-based project management, while Plan 3 includes more advanced features and, in some cases, access to desktop capabilities. You can always switch later, so don't overthink it at this stage. Next, look for the Try Free for 1 month button next to the plan you want. If you don't immediately see it, sign in and refresh the page. Availability can sometimes depend on your account type and region. Click the button to begin the sign-up flow. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you'll be guided to create it. This is the same type of account you may already use for services like Microsoft 365 or other Microsoft products. During setup, Microsoft may ask for a credit card to confirm your identity and activate the trial. This is a standard verification step. You won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends, but do note the end date shown during sign-up. It's a good idea to make a quick note of that date so you can decide whether to continue or cancel in time. Once your trial is confirmed, go to your Microsoft 365 account portal. From there, you can access Project for the web right in your browser, and if your plan includes it, download and install the Project desktop application. Follow the prompts to complete the installation, then sign in to start building your timelines, tasks, and resources. If you decide not to keep the subscription, cancel before the trial ends. You can do this from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center if you're using a business account, or from the subscriptions area of your Microsoft account if it's a personal setup. Look for the option to turn off recurring billing or cancel the trial. Finally, be aware that trial availability can vary by region and account type. If the Try Free option isn't visible, sign in and check the Project Plans page again. That's it. Enjoy exploring Microsoft Project during your trial.